Hey, my name's James from Silver Peak Construction. We specialise in full house renovations and wet areas located in Victoria in Bacchus Marsh. The reason we came to Tradie Web Guys was because we were after a new website, better leads, and just a new way to take our social media and marketing to the next level. We've been working with Tradie Web Guys for nearly 6 months. So far, our website looks great, marketing looks sensational. Since last year, we've done almost half our revenue in sales in 2 months. So currently we've sold 650k worth of work since the start of July, where last year we did 1.8. At this moment, we've got a pipeline of work all the way up into December, and we're looking at about an 8,000% ROS just from the marketing and the sales that Matt and his team have been doing. Taking the step to work with Tradie Web Guys was a great relief to us. We've worked with other marketing agencies that just didn't get the same results. Matty and Tradie Web Guys have taken the website to a whole new level, our marketing to a whole new level, and keep us up to date on all our changes. Because of this, we've got a massive pipeline of work. We're set to do 1.3 mil before December, which is almost our revenue for last financial year. And we're looking at doubling to tripling our sales by the end of financial year.